This is the color that I saw that I thought people would be picking. The color that they have out there looks nothing like the color they have here. This is the artist rendition, and I'll show you a picture of what the colors that they picked outside. Our Palm Beach Plantation sign's almost done. But who's picking out the colors? Do you have to have the terracotta on the bottom? It looks like crap inside the neighborhood, so why would you put it out here? The terracotta's gotta go. Who's picking the colors out? Who? I wanna know.
Hey, yo. You know what the problem is these days? Nobody has a sense of style no more. Nobody. Except for that guy right there. Now that guy has got style. Socks and sandals, what? Socks and sandals, what? Yo.